Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to SciTech Guru. And finally, the Honor 9X device got launched in the Flipkart, as you can see here right now. So the most awaiting phone in India is right now is the Honor 9X device, and finally it got launched. And but the thing is that a lot of fans of the Honor 9X phone got disappointed in India because of the following reasons. And a lot of US are asking me plenty of questions whether to buy the Honor 9X device at the moment, or is there any other option alternative for the Honor 9X device. So in this video, I'll be covering all the disadvantages and what are my thoughts after using the Honor 9X device for a couple of months here. So this is the Chinese variant. Even the Indian variant has a different processor. Apart from that, everything is similar to the Chinese variant. And if you're new to my channel, subscribe to my channel, friends, SciTech Guru, and I'll be posting a lot of interesting videos. So you can find the playlist in the description below. So you can see the Honor 9X. I have uploaded plenty of videos on only on Honor 9X phone. So many videos, about like 78 videos on Honor 9X. So you can check the links in description below. So finally the specifications, everything got confirmed in India, and it is ready for the first sale in India, as you can see here. And it is offered very low range when compared with other pop-up camera phones, I can say. So for the first sale isn't 12,999, as you can see here. For the 13,000, this will be the cheapest, lowest priced pop-up camera phone, I can say right now, which is available in the Flipkart. So by the time I am making this video, so regarding the price, I am fully happy with the price range. I did not expect this phone to be this low, around 30,000. I thought they would keep around 14,999 for the Honor 9X device, but that's good regarding the price range. And next area where it's the really important is that processor. So nowadays, a lot of US are interested to buy the mobile phones based on the whether the phone supports a lot of gaming and will it handle the gaming very good or not. So because a lot of US are nowadays interested in playing the mobile games, so every day the users are getting increased. And right now the Honor 9X got launched with the Kirin 710F processor, so which is I can say below mid-range processor, so which is not that powerful when compared with the other smartphones. It's similar price range which are offering better in terms of the processor and their performance. The Kirin 710F is a very and disappointed and drawback for the Honor 9X phone. This will be the first drawback. And second biggest drawback for the Honor 9X, it's gonna be the fast charging, so which is not supported in the Honor 9X device. The phone comes only with a 10 watts charger, which is very disappointing, guys. So nowadays a lot of mobile phones, they are releasing with the 20 watts, 30 watts and 40 watts and 50 watts, but Honor 9X still release the phone with a 10 watts charger. Even if they're offering 10 watts, that doesn't matter, but the phone even doesn't support more than 10 watts. Even if you're trying to buy any 20 watts, any other Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 or 4.0, the phone doesn't support any fast charging apart from 10 watts charger. So this is gonna be second most disappointed in the Honor 9X thing. And third is that in terms of the display, so with the Honor 9X doesn't have the AMOLED panel. It comes with a LTPS IPS LCD panel, so which is not AMOLED. Even nowadays most of the phones they release with the AMOLED panels, but still I can say that the display in the Honor 9X is pretty good. There is nothing wrong in that. So when compared with the other AMOLED panels, I feel the colors are a little bit good in the Honor 9X phone without any trouble. But having the AMOLED panel makes extra features like having the always on display feature, so which is present in the Realme X devices and Realme phones which are having AMOLED panels. So few of the options are missing because of the not having the AMOLED panel in the Honor 9X device. But overall the display quality is pretty good. There is nothing wrong with the Honor 9X device, and I am very happy with the display of Honor, at least choosing the LTPS IPS LCD panel instead of normal LCD panel. That's a very good move from the Honor 9X. So in terms of the display, I got the mixed feelings. I'm a little bit of happy not choosing at least IPS panel, but having the AMOLED panel, it makes a little bit of advantage for the Honor 9X device, I can say. And next, fourth most important area is in terms of the camera. So in terms of the camera, the phone is not supported with the 4K recording. So where you can only record 1080 at 60 and 30 fps. So let me show you the settings. So as you can see here, So these are only the few settings where you can record in the Honor 9X device. And even the slow motion, you can only record up to 480 fps, not the 960 fps. So as you can see here, so the camera will be the next disadvantage for the Honor 9X device, not having the 4K and not having the 960 fps recording in the Honor 9X device. So if you are using the mobile for long term usage, I hope you would consider this kind of features: fast charging and better processor, having the AMOLED panel, and having the 4K video recording in the Honor 9X device. And there are like other features which are missing in the phone is that not having the Face ID unlocking. The side mounted fingerprint sensor is very fast, but still having the Face ID unlocking and having the in-display fingerprint sensor makes a little bit faster in terms of unlocking the device, and having the extra benefits like, so when you place your phone on the table, and you can just unlock the device just by placing the finger instead of just lifting the phone completely. So this kind of features add extra things to the mobile phones which are having in-display fingerprint sensor. And phone doesn't have any Dolby Atmos in the Honor 9X device. There is no Dolby Atmos in this phone, and that is another disadvantage. There is no Face ID unlocking, and there is no in-display fingerprint sensor. And considering all this disadvantage of this Honor 9X, I hope after watching this video you'll get a clear idea about the Honor 9X device. For example, if Honor 9X got launched with the Kirin 810 processor, then the things would have been completely different. We can seriously buy the mobile considering the processor Kirin 810F processor, but that is not the case. We got the very lowest processor when compared with the Kirin 810 processor. So that's why the things are getting changed for the Honor 9X device. So I hope you like this video, guys. This will give a clear clarity about the Honor 9X device, whether to buy or not. So still, if you're thinking to buy the Honor 9X device, it's good, no problem. There's nothing wrong with the display. Still, it has got a pretty good advantage like display and the price range for the mobile phone. So see you in the next video, guys. Until then, stay tuned. Don't forget to check the playlist of Honor 9X phone. See you in the next video. Bye.